Hey everyone, welcome to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're making banana bread. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. Let's get cooking. For this recipe, you will need ripe bananas, eggs, unsalted butter, chopped walnuts, flour, granulated sugar, baking soda, salt, cinnamon, and vanilla extract. Begin by adding bananas in a bowl. Mash bananas with a fork. In a separate bowl, add 1.5 cups of flour. Add 1 teaspoon of baking soda, a half teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Mix until combined. In a large bowl, add 1 stick of butter and 1 cup of sugar. Mix the butter and sugar until well combined. Next, add the mashed bananas. Mix well. Add 2 eggs and mix until combined. Add the dry mixture and mix until combined. Scrape the edges of the bowl and add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix until combined. Next, add 1 cup of chopped walnuts and mix well. Add banana bread mixture into a loaf pan lined with parchment paper. Smooth the top and bake at 350 degrees for 55 to 60 minutes. And there you have it, banana bread. Once again, we hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.